blessing, blessing, blessing. Yeah, baby girl, you're a blessing, 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 blessing. Want you to know you're a blessing, 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 blessing. Yeah, baby girl, you're a blessing.
Okay, guys, this is the Global Beauty Moisturizing Foot Mask. I'm going to be trying it and see if it really works. It says to use thoroughly clean feet, cut open package along the dotted line, place your feet inside the gel-filled socks, allow treatment to work for 60 to 90 minutes, then remove, thoroughly wash and dry. Dead skin, cracked heels, and calluses will simply peel away in about 4 to 7 days after use. Do not use more than 1 month. So I'm going to be trying it right now. I already got out the shower and I'm going to be putting it on my feet. Hey guys, so I have it on my feet and I'm going to set the timer for 60 to 90 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 90 minutes and it's time to rinse my feet. Okay guys, I done rinsed my feet already and today is August 12th. And it says 4 to 7 days it's supposed to peel. Yeah, 4 to 7 days after use. So 4 days from now, it's the 16th of August, and we will see if there is any peeling to my feet. So until I come back in 6-7 days, ciao, Bellas. Okay, guys, I'm back to give my honest review on this product. The Global Beauty Care Moisturizing Foot Mask. Now, guys, I've waited the 4 to 7 days. Like I said, it's actually the 24th of August right now. I waited the 7 days, no peeling on my feet. Today, like I said, is the 24th. Still no peeling on my feet. So guys, this product here was a big fail. It did not do what it said it was supposed to do, not at all. So yeah, this will not be a rebuy for me. This is a fail, guys. So you know what to do. Like, comment, share. Join the family by hitting that subscribe button and a notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload another video. So until next time, ciao, Bellas.